I think I might have just found the cheapest electric dirt bike on the market today. This right here is the Skeri Mini Electric Dirt Bike. Since I pretty much have every mini electric dirt bike that I want, I'm thinking about giving this bike to my friend that needs a form of transportation, somewhere to get him around, and he's been wanting to get into bike life for a really long time. So I think I'm gonna give this bike to my homie, bro. I'm really excited to give it to him. I think it's gonna be sick. But first, let's just check this bike out. This bike has a 48-volt, 21-amp-hour battery with top speeds all the way up to 35 miles per hour. The peak power on this motor is 3,200 watts. It comes with 14 and 12-inch wheels, and it also comes with some nice hydraulic brakes. Don't forget, it's got front suspension and rear suspension, so you can hit all the trails that you want. It even comes with a front light. And a nifty feature about this bike is that it has an RFID tag. Not just that, but for the price, I think this bike actually looks pretty sick. Pretty good pull, pretty good pull. So it looks like the EBIKE villain definitely won that race. Off the jump, all these bikes pretty much go about the same speed. But at the top speed, the EBIKE villain definitely won. Guys, one thing I want to point out about this bike, what is this situation they got going on right here, bro? I genuinely don't know what's going on with that. I don't know why they did that. It must be just like a cheap frame or something, I guess. But that's really bad, because say if you bottom out on a rock or something, it's gonna freaking hit the bottom of the frame right there, and then, you know, it might actually crack the frame. So that's really not good at all. I guess that's kind of just what you get for a pretty cheap bike. And this bike is about $1,000, but with my code, I think you can save about $100. This bike is actually really nice. The suspension, I'm about to go test it out right now. I'm using it right now. It's pretty stiff, man. It's like really stiff. The brakes on this bike is nice though. It wheelies, does everything that you want it to do. Now let's test out the suspension. Going on a little trail path right here. This is fun. It's actually crazy how a bike this cheap can do all this. The suspension is definitely rough, dude. This thing is climbing up this hill. I kind of like the way it looks. I like this like dirt bike style thing they got going on, especially the back. Like this right here, it actually looks like 100 or something like that. Front plate, you know, maybe could be a little bit better. Front fender is big, so, you know, definitely stop a lot of dirt from coming into you. But let's just keep riding this thing, dude. Power delivery is pretty good. It maybe has like a slight delay, itty bitty delay. I'm genuinely excited for this video. I've never been able to provide somebody else with an electric dirt bike. I've been getting all the bikes that I want, been providing for myself, making sure that I'm set up right. This is the first time I can finally, you know, actually give to somebody else. And that's kind of all I really want to do, man. I really just want to provide you guys with the best content possible so I can, you know, make your day maybe just a little bit better. I genuinely do want to start doing a bunch of giveaways and giving tons of people free bikes, good bikes, not just, you know, random like pedal electric bikes. I want to give people mini electric dirt bikes or like Surons even. Oh my God, that was a snake. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did y'all see that? Holy crap. Did I just run him over? I can't tell if I ran him over, dude. I'm looking at the ground. There's a huge snake. So we're gonna go meet up with my friend and we're gonna be like, yo, this is your bike for today. We're just gonna go on a little ride. And then at the end, we're gonna give him the bike. We're gonna see his reaction. Hopefully he's gonna like it. I really hope he does. I really hope it helps him out. And yeah, let's just go meet up with him. We're about to go meet up with my homie, bro. He has no idea that we're doing this, bro. I just told him that we're gonna just go for a ride and, you know, we'll see what happens. We're here with the homie, Jeremiah right here. He's on the Ultra B, bro. I'm pretty sure it's your second time riding it, right? Yeah. Yeah, so you should be all good to ride it and stuff. Let's see what we can get into type shit. All right, guys, so we're on this bike right now, but he has no idea that he's gonna get the bike, dude. This is actually crazy. He's still clueless, bro. He thinks we're just going out on a little ride. Yo, be careful on that thing, bro. Hopefully this bike is all dialed. Feels all dialed. Feels like it's all good to go. That helmet that's on it barely fits him at all, dude. This is one of my favorite spots to pull up and just like do some wheelies. This bike wheelies very nice. I'm not trying to show it too much on YouTube because on YouTube I'm just gonna get demonetized. But trust me, this bike wheelies pretty nice. I'm actually surprised how well it wheelies, obviously because of the dirt tires that it has on here. But with these dirt tires, you can still wheelie really nicely. Okay, so right now he's trying to learn how to wheelie his brand new bike, bro. He's on that bike. Oh, he popped it up a little bit. He's on that bike and he has no idea that that's his bike right there, bro. As for the first time in my life, I've actually never been able to get Christmas presents for people. And last Christmas, I was able to get Christmas presents for my brother, my mom. I just never really had money like that. It feels so good to get people presents and to just like make someone happy. My handlebars on this bike are loose as hell. So we're gonna go over to AutoZone, fix this problem right here. I just wanna do a big shout out to Skeri. I really appreciate you guys sponsoring this video and allowing me to do this for my friend, bro. I really appreciate it. This is honestly a pretty big moment for me. I've honestly been wanting to do something like this for a long time. If I had somebody back in the day that just gave me a free e-bike, like y'all don't know how much of a huge help that would have been to me. It would have changed my life, honestly. My first ever bike that I bought it all myself. Something like this, to me back in the day, would have been life-changing. That thing hauls ass, huh?
Hauls ass. This eco. My eyes, the visor.
Yeah, that's why I got the visor. Barely wouldn't be able to fit your head. Nice and tight. Put that right back where it was. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. AutoZone is clutch, bro. Are you good? Did you try and go up the curb?
Big ass bike, dude.
I want to race this dude. You trying to race? Damn! Damn! I'm gonna gap him.
No, you're not.
Watch, I'm gonna gap him. He ran the red. You saw an Ultra V versus a Lambo, dude. I almost got him right there, dude. Back on the Skeri, baby. I actually like this bike. Like, dude, I've had a lot of mini bikes, and if I were to compare them to like any of the other bikes, this is one of the ones that's the easiest to wheelie. Hey, how you doing, boss? Yeah, you want to try it? Why not? Say what?
Let me get a turn.
You want to what?
Let me get a turn.
You want to try it out? Pull over. You can try it. Yeah, you can try it out real quick. Can you ride it though?
No, I wouldn't try it if I don't know. I just want to look at it, buddy. 'Cause I'm not gonna fuck your shit up.
No, my guy, bro, you got it. I swear to God, if you crash, I really don't care. I just don't want you to get hurt. Look. I'll put you in mode 1, so it's nice and linear. Are you sure you got this?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm pretty sure you know how to ride a pedal bike, right? Yeah. Oh, okay, then you got it, bro. Twist it and it goes, and just always keep your fingers on both the brakes. Yeah. Be easy. Yeah, like nice and careful. Yeah, stop playing. That one is super cheap too. It's like only 900 bucks. I got it from a company. The company just sent it to me, but like Walmart or Amazon or like, you know, stuff like that. Do you want to try it on the faster modes?
No, it's too fast for me already.
Really already? Okay.
Like, I gotta get used to the brake.
Yeah.
It's just like, man, I wish I could try that.
If you see me, you can try it out. I don't care. You should get one. I really wish I could give it to you, but bro, I just made a plan. I'm about to give it to him and he doesn't even know. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. I don't tell him, but
Deserving to him, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Fun, man. I'm in my car.
Trust me, bro, if you want one, you're gonna get it, man. But yeah, this thing does burnouts too. Nice meeting you, bro. What was your name?
Adrian.
Nice to meet you. My name's Luciano. Test out this bike suspension right here. Here we go, baby. Whew, pretty bumpy. Pretty good, actually. Like, it's not too soft, you know. It's pretty rough, it's pretty stiff, but it still goes down. It still does pretty well going down the stairs. Sorry. Head back to the car and we're gonna give him this bike, bro. I'm so excited to do this. I can't wait to see his reaction. That was a pretty dope ride, huh? Yeah. Blinker's been on the whole time, you idiot. Yo, Jeremiah, I got something to tell you, Jeremiah.
What?
This bike is all you, bro.
No way. Stop.
Yeah, bro.
No way.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I got you, bro. That's all you.
Get the out of here.
Yeah, that's all you, dog.
I gotta learn how to wheelie it.
Hold on, wait. That's all you, bro.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
Real bro.
Yes, sir. Look, you can have that bike as long as you learn how to wheelie and you go and buy a helmet.
Oh, I'm going to learn really.
If you need a helmet, bike lock, bro. You can't let that thing get stolen.
I know.
All right?
I'm gonna get a bike lock and everything.
That's all you, my boy.
No way.
Yo, bro, how you feel about that, bro? How you feel about that?
dope, bro.
Fam, what are you gonna do with this bike, bro? Like, what are you gonna do?
Willie, and I'm gonna be using this get to work, bro.
Yes,
the man
sir.
behind the camera is a real bro.
Hey, yo. I'm telling you, bro, you deserve it, bro.
Thank you, bro.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big shout out to Skeri for making this possible, bro. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Yeah, how you with that bike?
I'm on that bike.
You gotta get a helmet, though. My boy, you need a helmet.
I know.